questions about this one? Yeah, just about that. So if y is x squared log of x, what we deal with, we start with an analysis function immediately, where the function is defined. And we deal with exclusively x greater than 0 because on other values this function is not defined altogether. So we get the derivative here is 2x log 1 over x plus x squared times x times minus 1 over x squared. This was the chain rule of the derivative of this one, which basically looks like 2x log 1 over x minus x, which is x 2 log 1 x minus 1. We know that x is always greater than 0, so we have to explore this part only. 2 log 1 x minus 1 is greater than 0. Out of this, it basically goes to x is less than e the power of negative 1/2, which is 1 over square root of e. So just simplification, the simple simplification of this one. And we know that which will have 0. Another thing which is, apart from the chain rule, which is also quite important to remember, is implicit functions. And with implicit functions, the simplest example is the following. For example, we know this equation x y is equal to 5, and we know that y is the function of x. And the question is find y hat with respect, or y prime with respect to x. Again, when we're talking about implicit functions, for this exam it is required that you know implicit functions differentiation for two variables at most, but generally we are going to talk about n variables in the future. So when we're talking about implicit function differentiation, we basically follow the rules of differentiation. So what we have x, f of x is equal to 5. Now we differentiate left and right hand side one by one. So here we have f of x plus x f prime of x equals to 0. And based on this, we get f prime of x is negative f of x over x. So based on those quite simple rules, if we have the function something like 2x squared plus 6xy plus y squared equals to 18, we know that point equals to 1, 2 belongs to this line. This is some line. At this point, we don't care how this line looks like. We just know that this point is on this line. What you have to find y prime and y double prime at this point. Go ahead. 11 is overshooting, 7 is undershooting, so we're approaching the right direction. So this is just, again, very simple one-line solution. We differentiate the entire equation with respect to x. 2x squared with respect to x, 4x plus 6sy is a complex function, so we have to differentiate it by 6 times y plus 6 times x times y prime. Is it clear why?
No.
No? xy is basically x times f of x, because y is a function of x. So we have to differentiate with respect to x this product. We differentiate this product as x prime f of x plus x times f prime of x. Is this connection clear between these two? So this one is just 1, so we have f of x plus f prime of x, or basically y plus xy prime. So when we differentiate this one with respect to x, we get y plus xy prime. Because y is the function of x itself. That is why we have this expression over here, plus y is the function of x. So first we differentiate it with respect to y, which is 2y times y prime. Again, this is the same as f of x differentiated with respect to x. And this is actually squared. So this is basically 2f of x times f prime of x. So this is the left-hand side differentiated, this part. 18 differentiated with respect to x gives us just 0. Now we have equation around y prime. We just collect the terms, and as a result we get something like minus 2x plus 3y over